Hello friends, so welcome to new video. So this video consists of making of means we're gonna learn how to make pancreases, means making of pancreases. And as we know, it's both endocrine and exocrine, means endocrine and exocrine gland. If you have seen my videos on it, you will know like how it means what is the endocrine and exocrine, and if you don't know what is the endocrine system and the exocrine system, so please go and see the endocrine system so that you can at least classify the endocrine glands of your bodies. So if I give you an example of endocrine, means like the endocrine system consists of, means it releases some chemicals which are almost called hormones, which help our body to build, to grow, or to die. Like many more things are there to grow. Some of the emergency hormones, some releases, and the hormone in the part which releases those hormones are called the endocrine glands. So let's learn how to make one of the endocrine gland, which is the more important one. And actually, it is both endocrine and exocrine. As we know, the pancreas releases digestive juices, which help us to digest our food, and it means also means provide us some of the endocrine system, some of the hormones. Actually, if you see the cross section of it, you will know how which part releases the endocrine and which part releases the exocrine things. So let's start with our diagram. So first we are going to make a tubular part over here. So I'm going to start with a tube first and then the circles. I mean to say the ovals. So you can see I have made a long huge C over here, and now this C is going to be an end over here. Like not over here, we are going to little bit up so that it goes a perfect thing here and here. And now just make it like this. Okay, you can see how I've made it. And now we are going to finally give a thin layer to it, like a layer to it, not thin or thick, a layer to it. So over here, so we have made a layer over here, and now we are just going to improve this round, and over here also I'm just rubbing it up a little bit so that it and our circles are ready. Now we are going to make, actually this oval should be like this. Now we'll make the actual part. Three and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, I have not left any spaces, as well I'm not labeling it. But if you are labeling it, so please label it at the right side. And if you are labeling it at the right side, please leave enough space so that your diagram will be a neat diagram. And please do not write at the left side, which is the wrong thing. Next, the inner part. As per we have done the outer part, let's do the inner part with this pencil only, so that so we are making the thing over. So I'm taking one more pencil off this pack. So one HB pencil. So let's see what is the HB pencil over here. So this one, the 8B, 4B, 8B, and this is the HB. Yes, I have took one HB pencil over here. So let's see, there's one more pencil. So over here I have took HB pencil. You can see HB. Now let's make it. Now we are going to make some of the branches over here. You can see over here like branches. And if you are making some branches, you can use like this, so that a light pencil, so that you may know how to make it. You will be not wrong in your way, because HB pencil are more comfortable to erase than 10B pencil. The inner part is almost ready, you can see. So ta-da, and we have made the last part, and the last part will be like this. So you can see we have made little leaf-like structure, and next we are going to make some parts which are not too important to us. So the main part, I'm doing it like this. One like this. Next, dot 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 dot. Okay. Next, dot 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 dot. And here you can make a little bit of, yes. Now you can make like this. You can see I have made it like this, and a little bit of like lining over here. And a little bit around the hole like this. And we have done the whole thing. So now let's fill it up by some of the dots. So dot part is my favorite because you just have to poke it up, and it doesn't matter, you can poke it everywhere you want, not beyond this part. So we have almost filled with dots, and this is what our pancreas. Pancreas is done. So you can see how we made it, and I don't think you need any of the things. So hope you understood it well. So meet you in next video. You can see over here, and these are some pencils, you can use them. 4B, 8B, 6B, 2B, and 10B, and HB. So now you can see the whole diagram, and hope you like it, and if you like it, just do it like this. And of course, if you like it, put the subscribe button, and do comment down how you like the diagram and if you have understood it well. And if you need any more diagram, this kind of diagrams, just comment me down, please. So hope you understood it well. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.